Hello friends, let's crochet together a starfish. We need one color of YarnArt Jeans, and the size of my hook is 1.6. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread. There is no hole in the middle. And we start the second round in the first loop of the previous one. And in the second round we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make a marker in the beginning of the round, and in the third round we make 6 increases with 1 single crochet between them. Increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second loop. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, and continue till the end of the round. In the next round we make 2 single crochets and increase in the third loop, and repeat. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and go on. And in the next round we make increase and then 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and repeat. Increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, and continue till the end of the round. in the end, we make a slip stitch, cut the thread, and close the round. And we fix the thread on the opposite side. Then we make the second detail in the same way. In the end of the second detail, we don't make a slip stitch and we don't cut the thread. Make a marker and then 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take the first part and make 6 single crochets on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we start the next round in the first loop and make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we make 2 rounds without changes for 12 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12. In the next round, we make decrease, and then 10 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in the next round we make 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In the next round, we make decrease and then 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the next round, we make in the same way a decrease and then single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, a decrease and 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last round, decrease, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread. Cut it and take the needle. We close the hole for the front sides of loops of the last round. Fix the thread. And the first detail is ready. We make another tops of the starfish in the same way. When 4 tops are ready, we add fiber fill and we close the holes between the tops. And then we crochet the last top. We make the last top in the same way. Six single crochets on the first side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 single crochets on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we continue to crochet according to the pattern. 3 rounds for 12 single crochets, then 1 decrease and 11 single crochets, and then 1 decrease in each round. And our little starfish is ready. Add beads or embroidery to make your starfish more beautiful. Thank you for attention. Have a nice day.